Like and subscribe, and ring the bell to join us for more adventures. Timo's kite gets stuck high in the branches of a tall tree. He stretches his arms upward, but the kite is still too high to reach. The kite is caught in the tree branches, surrounded by leaves and small twigs. A new word becomes important: resourceful. Resourceful means finding clever solutions with what you have. Climbing the tree could be risky. Timo looks around the ground for something helpful. Nearby, he finds a long stick lying under the tree. The stick gently lifts the kite free. Timo remembers that being resourceful means using the tools around him to solve problems, and he learns that a clever idea can often work better than force.
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, and to build the skills you need for exam success, visit vocabcartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.